Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. The 2021 corn harvest is underway in western Kentucky. This video comes to you from a cornfield where a pair of big Class 9 Case IH 9250 Axial-Flow Combines are harvesting the crop equipped with 40-foot wide 16-row corn heads. These big harvesters are supported by a pair of Case IH STEIGER Quadtrac tractors, a Model 620 and 580, pulling 1,000 bushel Kinze grain carts. In this video, we'll take a look at the combine's production history, specifications, and list price, as well as seeing these big machines open up a new section of corn and how they work their way across the field to open up the area to work back and forth. So let's head out to the field now so you can see and hear all this harvesting action. The Class 9 9250 Axial-Flow Combine was introduced by Case IH for model year 2019. The combines harvesting corn in this video are 2021 models. The classification system for Case IH is based on horsepower. The company offers 6 different rotary combines. The 9250 is powered by a 15.9 liter Case IH FPT C16 972 cubic inch engine rated at 550 horsepower. When the combine encounters tough harvesting conditions, the engine can reach a peak horsepower of 625. The 9250 Axial-Flow Combine is manufactured in Grand Island, Nebraska. The combine is equipped with a 410 bushel grain tank, and it unloads at a rate of 4.5 bushels per second through a 28-foot 9-inch unloading auger. The combine is fitted with a 317-gallon diesel fuel tank and a 43-gallon diesel emission fluid tank. According to CaseIH.com, for model year 2021, the list price for a 9250 is $606,128. The combines working in this video are equipped with 4416 16-row 30-inch Case IH corn heads. According to the website, the list price for the corn heads is $165,925. A 9250 Axial-Flow Combine with a 16-row corn head represents a major investment for a farming operation. This combine is capable of harvesting 40 feet of corn per pass and will harvest 5,000 bushels of corn per hour. This is important when you're trying to harvest your crop as quickly as possible to make way for the next crop that will be planted in the field. In this next sequence, you'll be able to see the two 9250 Axial-Flow Combines open up a new section in the field. When the rows are long and the 410 bushel grain tank on the combine fills up, you'll be able to watch the two machines switch positions, so one can unload on the go with the Quadtrac in the Kinze cart, and the other one will continue to push forward, opening up the path for the grain cart tractor. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in this Western Kentucky cornfield during the harvest with these two big Class 9 Case IH 9250 Axial-Flow Combines. I'd like to hear in the comment section below what type of combine you're running to harvest your corn this year. Tell me about the machine and the corn head that you're using. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you'd like to see additional corn harvest content from the channel, watch this video for a few more seconds at the end screen to directly link to those videos. As always, thank you for watching.